Hello everyone, this is Nayan Seswa and welcome to Udan. Today we are going to understand what is military planning exercise in SSB interview. So I'm starting this. What is military planning exercise in SSB interview? So first is group planning exercise GPE or military planning exercise MPE is done to check the reaction of candidates when put under a series of stressful situations in which decision making ability and quick reactions of a candidate is checked. क्या चेक किया जाता है इसके द्वारा? आपका डिसीजन मेकिंग एबिलिटी एंड क्विक रिएक्शन, आप कैसे रिएक्ट करते हो आपको जो जीपी मिलता है उसके अकॉर्डिंग, सो वो जीटीओ चेक करता है आपको. सो लेट्स अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज मिलिट्री प्लानिंग exercise in SSB interview. First is GTO explains the candidates a model on wooden plank. At the end of explanation, candidates are permitted to ask any question. Clear? Next is now GTO reads a story from the card. Pay attention while he read this. जब GTO स्टोरी रीड करता है तो अटेंटिव रहिएगा, वहां पे ध्यान से सुनना आपको. ओके. नेक्स्ट इज नाउ आफ्टर रीडिंग द स्टोरी, GTO allows each candidate to read story for 5 minutes from story cards placed on their chairs and correlate it with the model. So clear? Next is make mental picture of everything, because after 5 minutes these story cards are taken away from you. So be attentive there. Okay. Next is now candidates are asked to write their own solutions to various problems on a sheet of a paper. Time allowed is 10 minutes. Remember this also. Time allowed is 10 minutes. After this 10 minutes, the writing sheet is taken away and the group is expected to discuss and arrive at a common plan for the problem and then nominate a person to say the group plan to the GTO. Next is what is the structure of GP problems? Generally, there are 4 problems given in GP. One is of a serious nature, which involves immediate reaction, okay, or is costing more life. Such problem must be assigned first priority. Remember this. First priority to costing more life, and you have to take immediate reaction on that. And second kind of problem is also of serious nature and has some time left to solve it, and assign them second priority. And third problem is comparatively less serious. Also, there will be one silly problem. Assign it least priority. So clear? This is a structure of GP problems there. Next is tips of group planning exercise. So first tips for GP is listen to the GTO carefully. Make a mental picture of the problem in your mind and start finding solutions. Next is clarity all the doubts from the GTO before writing your own solution. And next is write your solution with confidence. Confidence must be there. Be clear with your ideas and approach, and there is no right or wrong solution here. So clear everyone? Next is make a mental note of all the minute details in the model. They will come handy while solving the problem. And identify all the possible resources at your disposal. Generally, all the problems are easily solvable if the requisite resources are identified. You have to identify the resources that you have. Okay. Next is during the group discussion, you are required to support the group to formulate the best possible plan. Hence, do not always stick to your own opinions for the heck of it. If someone has a better idea than yours, accept it and contribute your bit in the group. And generally, the GD in the GP is chaotic and no group solution is formed. Try to avoid this phenomena by urging your group members to be more cooperative. Clear? Next is I'm going to start a sample with you. I'm sharing a sample with you. You have to understand. Just listen carefully. You are 8 friends from Ranikhet went to Kalnu Hills for expedition. You are staying in a small lounge at Mall Road Market. You have a return train at 7 p.m. Leaving for Ranikhet from Sahibabad station. You were taking a stroll in the market when a person comes running to you and tells you there is a landslide have occurred in Kalnu Hills and many people get trapped in the landslide. He also tells you that the fish plate of the train track has been removed near Sahibabad station because of poor maintenance. A train passes the track at 6:30 p.m. In the meanwhile, another person tells you that an accident occurred on Ratnagar highway which led few people injured. There is a hospital and a NDRF team in Chobatia village. Carts are available at Jhakra village. It is 5 p.m. already. As being young and brave, what you will do? Yes, my dear students, next is a tips for this GP. What you have to do? First, keep a proper body language as it will help you in the group discussion. Okay, and use proper postures and gestures to put your point more effectively. And locate your position using the direction mentioned in the map. If you get the opportunity to narrate the plan, use direction, distance, time required, and the right time to narrate the story. Next fourth point is when GTO narrates a story, listen to it very carefully and count the number of problems. It will help you to remember the number of problems and set the priority accordingly and prioritize your solution. Help the person who needs it at most and use the resources efficiently. It will increase your chance to stand out in your group and talk to your group a day before the task and make a strategy. It will help you and your group to follow a strategy. If someone if someone is narrating the conclusion, do not interrupt him in between. Remember this. Next is if you think that a person in a group talks too much or in any means is intimidating, try to talk to him before the task starts and tell him that the purpose is to get recommended, not to fight. And try to give a reason behind your points. It will help others to understand your point. Use proper postures and gestures to put your point more effectively and always wear a smile while at task. You are there for a discussion, only not a war. Try to give a reason behind your points. It will help others to understand your point and divide the group according to requirement. Send more people where the situation is more vulnerable. Okay, so clear everyone. Next is you have to remember rules that GTO explained to you. The group planning exercise took place just after your discussions. Okay. And the GTO will first unveil a 2D or 3D model depicting certain places and distance between them, along with some important places like police stations, hospitals, military base, depending upon the problem to problem, as you can see in this picture also. The GTO will first brief you about features of the model, about marks, direction, scale, and other things. You can see in this GP also, I mark that distance in kilometer, and try to listen to all the briefing of the GTO very carefully. Then every candidate will be given the story card comprising the GP problem which the GTO had briefed to you for about 2-3 minutes. After that, he will give a time of about 5 to 10 minutes to write your individual plans on the sheet provided to you. Afterward, the sheet would be taken and you have to discuss the plan to reach a common group plan. Once you are done with discussion, the GTO will ask the group to nominate a person to give him with the common plan. Okay. Next is I'm again repeating tips for writing the individual solution. Okay, this is very important, and this playing major role in GP. Okay, so most of the candidates think that these sheets in which you wrote the individual solution are not checked by the GTO. Okay, but in reality, he evaluates your individual plans also. Okay, and the first thing to keep in mind is the time constraint within which you have to write the entire solution. Secondly, the plan written should be legible. Also, it should not be very lengthy. Okay, and try to make the solution in form of points as it improves the readability. Okay, and try to prioritize the problems given and solve them accordingly, and also mention the time in your solution as the deadline is very important while you are solving any task, and try to use most of the resources given in the problem as it shows your resourcefulness. Okay, what kind of resource you have, it shows your resourcefulness. Okay, and also solve problems as a team with good coordination. Also, once all problems are solved, you also have to carry on with the primary task you were doing. To get well versed with GP, try to solve some examples. I'll provide you some examples. This could be found over the internet also. You can take help of internet also. So let's understand. Again, I'm giving you some tips for discussion of the plan, the ways you have to discuss the plan. So try to initiate the discussion. It shows your quality to initiate. If you don't get a chance to initiate, try to butt in the discussion as soon as you can. And don't be mute observers of the discussion. It shows your lack of interest. And give valid points with full confidence and represent the entire group. If you agree with someone's point, praise him and your points, if any, also. If you don't agree with someone, try to convince him with your point, giving valid reasons, and try to give 4 5 valid points. It will be all right. And don't dominate the entire group. Remember this also. This is very important in GP. Don't dominate the entire group. Let others a fair chance to speak. In the end, if you want to give common group solution, ask the group, no one would deny, and give the common plan to the GTO confidently, include all the points discussed. So clear everyone, you have to write your solution in comment section. I will give you feedback, and you can download our application from Google Play Store. Thank you so much.